What is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today, Krisha and I are going to introduce you to our newest product launch, the twin-faced concealers. So if you're still on the hunt for the perfect concealer, we've got you covered. The key to make your makeup look amazing is to get the perfect base. And to get the perfect base, you need a great concealer. A concealer that disguises the appearance of pores, blemishes, dark circles, makes you look more awake and at the same time gives you an illusion of flawless looking skin. So MyGlamm has got you this really innovative product which is in a pencil form, a concealer in a pencil form. So the pointed end is great for precision correction. So if you want to hide your acne marks, your scars, or maybe carve your eyebrows, do a little bit of highlight, bring out your features, you can achieve all of that with this end. Then you have this other side that has the slant edge, which helps you cover your dark circles, helps you add more coverage. At the same time, you can carve and add more shape, all of that with this edge. The twin-faced concealer is wax-based, and it's got this creamy and soft texture which just glides onto your skin like butter, and it's really easy to blend. This product is buildable when it comes to its coverage, and it's really long lasting, and it gives you the smooth and even matte finish. You can use a lighter shade to highlight your face and also to bring out your features. It instantly adds light to your skin. This product has natural antioxidants that protect your skin from harmful free radicals. These concealers come in 3 different shades: light called Frappe, medium called Butterscotch, and dark called Toffee. So flawless skin is in, guys, and MyGlamm's twin face concealer makes it super easy to achieve. So go on www.myglamm.com and get yours now.